Neck massager. Whether it's from sleeping weird, working out too hard, or sitting hunched over for hours staring at your computer, most of us have dealt with kicks in our necks from time to time. According to the doctors of osteopathic medicine, one of the best ways to soothe aches and pains in your neck is through massage therapy. While going to a massage therapist can be a very relaxing experience but quite expensive too. So investing in a portable, at-home neck massager is cost-effective alternative. There are many kinds of neck massager on the market. To help you figure out which neck massager is best for your body's needs, we have made a list of top 5 best neck massager for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Naipo Deep Heat Back and Neck Massager. The device has 3 different intensity settings, a heat control panel, and adjustable slots. Shoppers also love that you can control what direction the 8 massage knot move in, along with the fact that it's super quiet so you can drift into the deep relaxation. Number 2. Naipo Adjustable Neck Massager. This ergonomically designed Naipo massager is customizable, so you can program it to suit your body's preferences. Along with 3 massage speeds and 2 heat settings, the U-shaped massager has adjustable arm straps so it will comfortably fit various heights. The soft and breathable material can cover the massage knots, is fully removable and easy to clean so you can keep the device sanitary. Number 3. NeckTech Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. If you love Shiatsu massage at the spa, you'll love this massager from NeckTech, which is designed to hit acupuncture points to your neck. The durable model uses 8 massage knots that mimic human hands to provide deep kneading that relieves muscle tension and pain. You can enjoy relaxing massages for 15 minutes at the time before the safety shuts off function kicks in. Number 4. Voyeur Trigger Point Neck Massager. If the tight muscles and knots in your neck are giving you migraines and headaches, Amazon shoppers recommend this manual voyeur massager. The lightweight device boosts 2 silicone balls and target your neck's trigger point to release tension and improve circulation. In addition to being affordable and portable, shoppers say the handheld device is super easy to use. Number 5. Renpho Handheld Deep Massager. While this Renpho handheld massager can be used in your entire body, many of the thousands of 5-star reviews said it works best on shoulders and necks. The popular massager delivers 3600 pulses a minute for a deep penetration, and its battery can last up to 140 minutes with a single charge. It weighs less than 2 pounds and comes with several different attachments to work on different areas of your body. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.